Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today, we are looking back at 2021. We're doing a year in review, and we accomplished quite a bit in 2021. But before we start, if you are new here, welcome. I am so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to double click that bell so you will be notified of everything that goes on here at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. And if you love to shop, I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in the description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know you are one of my blessties. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of this amazing family here. So now that we have gotten all of that out the way, looking down at my notes here, we kicked off 2021 with a New Year's Tablescape. Guys, this was the Tablescape that I did on my bin dining room table. I thought it was so pretty. So one of the other things that hubby and I tackled in our home, and I am so proud of us, we decided to tackle a couple of things in our home that we were originally going to pay somebody to do. For one, we added a wine chiller into my coffee bar, making it a coffee beverage station. I absolutely love this space. I love the space even before we added that wine chiller, but I love it even more right now. And not only that, we added some storage on the side as well. And I plan on doing something else, something to organize that storage space, so stay tuned for that. And something else we tackled, and then you see that behind me, hubby and I built this stone fireplace. Wasn't an easy task, but if I had to do it all over again, I would do it all over again. Actually, we're thinking about doing the same wall feature in our bedroom, so who knows, we might have to. But this, I am very proud of us tackling this, and the contractor that was planning on doing it for us, he gave us a thumbs up. He said we did a job, a fantastic job on the fireplace wall. Now, next, we're going to look at the highest viewed video in 2021. The highest viewed video on A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Now, I could go back to 2020, and guys, people keep watching my Christmas tour of 2020. They kept watching that throughout the year, but this is the highest of 2021, and it's the neutral living room. Let's talk about design and a vision board. It hit over 15,000 views. Now, we had the opportunity to collaborate with some companies in 2021, like New Chic, Totally Dazzled, New Air, Yata Home, Papaya Hair, Wish Biz, K George, just to name a few. But the one that I really enjoyed collaborating with and was so excited about is Cricut. Cricut, oh my goodness. It made my creative juices flow throughout my home. I was able to create some beautiful things. Beautiful things like my stove tray. I did a pantry door, a stencil on my pantry door. Just some beautiful things. Last year brought on a new venture of me going in a few homes to decorate them. The one in particular that was big was a client's home that we did a kitchen remodel in, and I'm saying a client's home. It was my mother and father-in-law's kitchen, and it came out amazing. It is so beautiful, and they are so pleased with that home renovation. We also hosted a few giveaways, and guys, in 2022, I plan on doing quite a few of those. You all enjoyed those, and I'm going to bring more of them. I'm going to try to do one each quarter, so stay tuned for that. We also did quite a few clean with me videos. You all seem to enjoy those. The clean with me's, the decorate with me's, the shop with me's, the spend the day with me's. You all really enjoy that. And I really enjoy bringing that type of content to you. And to be honest, the vlog type of videos you all seem to enjoy. In 2022, I'm going to bring more content like that to you because you enjoy those types of videos. Now in 2021, back in September, the Blessed family came together and we were hit with something very serious. And that was my grandson having lung surgery. He had to have a cyst removed from his lung. And our faith did not waver. We knew who was in control of that situation, and he's in control of all things. But we came together as a blessed family and we prayed over my grandson. I'm talking about some praying people. And I thank God for each and every one of you. Amari is doing amazing. He is doing so good. You never would have thought that little guy would have had surgery. He bounced back so quick. And like I said, I am so thankful to each and every one of you. He is our baby. He's not just my grandson. He is our baby, our little one. So thank you all who prayed for him. Now, we hosted quite a few collaborations ourselves, like the Show Some Love collaboration, the $10 Thrifted Challenge. We did the Coffee Beverage Bar seasonally. We did the Thrift Challenge seasonally. And we did the Family Traditions and Christmas Tablescape collaboration. I enjoy doing those types of collaborations, but I am going to only do a few open because they are a lot of work. Those that put on the collaborations, they know. So I'm going to have everything listed all the information in my description box down below on my calendar for 2021. And if you want to participate in them, that information will be there. The only open collab that I will be hosting, which will be the seasonal coffee beverage bar collab, the Show Some Love collab, and the Family Traditions and Christmas Tablescape will be closed collabs. They will be by invitation only, all right? But I enjoy doing those. They're just a lot of work when they are open collabs. But I also was able to collaborate with some amazing ladies along the way in 2021. Two groups in particular I participated in. I did a hop around the house with a group of ladies, and of course we do that seasonally, and we do have one coming up soon. And of course I cannot go on without mentioning my sisters, the queens of the Dream Team. We collaborated several times throughout the year, and you all know we are some women that love God, and we try to exhibit that in everything that we do, putting God first in all things, and just love working with these ladies, and so blessed to call them my sisters in Christ. And we all know how I love to share different hauls, right? Oh, I shared a lot of hauls. Love to shop, but guys, you would not believe the things I have given away, I have donated. When you look back on what we have been through these past couple of years, you realize you don't need all of this stuff. So I still have more to go through. I'm going to take you along that as well this year. I'm going to do some purging. I'm going to do some organizing of my home. I'm going to do some problem solving, some things that are problems in my home. I'm going to share that with you, and we're going to try to solve it. That's what I'm going to be focusing about this year. And lastly, the home tours throughout the year. I enjoy doing home tours, and I love watching them. And you all seem to enjoy them as well. They give me the opportunity to look back, not just on 2021, my whole YouTube journey. They give me opportunity to look back and see how far I have grown, and how far things have changed throughout these few years. And I'm loving it. I'm loving this YouTube journey that we are on. But guys, that is it. I just wanted to take a look at 2021 and thank all of you that have been on this journey with me. I have some people, no matter what I post, you're here to watch. Even when I posted product reviews, and you may not have purchased those things, you still supported your girl. And I am truly thankful and grateful that you do that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media sites and shop my Amazon store. You take care. You be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys.